Using URLs. You have learnt in previous class that every web page has a unique address called a Uniform Resource Locator or URL.
URLs help you to navigate the web.
When you provide a URL to the browser finds that URL's web page and then transfers the web page to your PC. The content of the web page then appears in the web browser window. You can specify a URL in several ways, but two methods are commonly used.
Let us discuss about them.
Using address bar.
Type the URL in the browser's address bar and press the Enter key from the keyboard. Suppose you want to visit the Google. To do this, you can type www.google.com in the address bar and then press Enter key. The home page of Google opens.
Using hyperlink. A hyperlink is simply a part of the web page that is linked to a URL. A hyperlink can appear as text, an image, or a navigational tool such as a button or an arrow. You can click a hyperlink and jump from your present location to the URL specified by the hyperlink. Hyperlinked text usually looks different from normal text in a web page. It is often underlined, but can be formatted in a number of ways.